you guys get that question all the time. They're like, should I get a Blackstone or should I get a smoker or should I get a blah, blah, blah? Now, I consider these medical devices.
Thank you. Yes, because we don't need the sleep apnea machine anymore.
Right.
I would much rather have a Blackstone than listen to
Start somewhere. Start with one, and then as you save money by not buying medicine and all that kind of stuff, you can kind of build your pantry. But we don't go out to eat very often.
Oh.
I'd rather that Blackstone. That's one meal out to eat for most places.
Right. I don't know what you guys paid for yours.
$117.
Okay, that's what we paid for ours.
Yep.
That's like
Walmart.
our family. We go there.
And it just plugs into our regular 110 volt AC outlet.
Mm-hmm.
It has a lid that comes down. It doesn't make a lot of smoke just because it's kind of keeping that all in there.
You can cook bacon in the house without smoking out.
Like Aaron says, my medical device is steak. That's a great right?
Right.
But
taking my medicine tonight.
Let's get your guys' opinion. If you had to choose a cooking implement to buy first, what would you recommend?
Inside or outside?
Let's start with inside because that's going to be where people start.
If money is no option,
okay.
Money doesn't matter.
Yeah,
right?
money doesn't matter.
I would buy that new Innova Precision oven.
Really? Okay.
It's that good because it is an air fryer, a dehydrator, a regular oven, a sous vide.
Yeah, which I still haven't researched enough.
You did just barely.
Yeah, he was cooking the.
It is a complete sous vide. It can cook in humidity. If you're in the bread, you know what Anthony was doing when we left? Anthony was proofing bread. Because Anthony we were talking about this with someone today. He only eats bread if he bakes it himself. So he was making his own bread, but it's a bread proofer, a yeast proofer. So it literally is like 6 appliances in one, but it is $500.
$500. Well,
after that, I would probably toss it up. Yeah, it is kind of big. After that, I would either say an air fryer or an Instant Pot.
Okay.
Probably,
so Instant Pot is really high up there.
For us, yeah.
I would probably go air fryer over the Instant Pot. Okay. But again, with the new Instant Pots, have everything to it.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Well, I saw you guys were making the beef and you were sautéing it in the Instant Pot.
So I'd probably go Instant Pot over the air fryer because you can get an air fryer attached for the Instant Pot.
Yes.
There you go.